Hi, and welcome to Smoke Training. In this episode, I'll show you how to create a freeze frame that can be edited back to the timeline. First, we'll perform a match frame on the timeline, and then define a keyboard shortcut to create the repeated frames. Right, let's jump into Smoke and take a look. First, let's switch over to desktop icon mode in Smoke. And now from our edited sequence, let's choose the frame we wish to create a freeze from. Just like in FCP7, the match frame function is performed by pressing the F keyboard shortcut. This places a copy of the clip from the timeline onto the desktop with in and out points marked. The clip is parked on the corresponding matching frame to that of the timeline. Before we repeat the clip for a specific amount of time, we need to assign a function in the keyboard shortcut editor. Search for the repeat command. Double-click on this command to load it up in the shortcut key editor on the right. For example, type Command and R in the on-screen keyboard. Click Set, followed by Save, confirming your changes, and then close down the shortcut editor. Now hit the shortcut key combo we just created, Command R in our case. This loads the Smoke Desktop Tools menu with the repeat function selected. If you look here in the Repeat Parameters section, this is where you can define how long the repeated clip will be. The Smoke cursor is red, it's asking you to select a source clip. Click on the top left of the clip that was loaded when we performed the match frame function. The cursor now turns white. Smoke is asking, where would you like the resulting clip placed? Click down in an empty part of the desktop to confirm. Smoke will now create the repeated frames. Now that you have created the freeze frame, you can remove the clip that was placed on the desktop when performing a match frame. A quick way to rename a clip in Smoke when in the desktop icon view is to press the number 9 key when the cursor is over an item. The on-screen keyboard appears, allowing you to enter the new details. Press F5 to return to the normal timeline view when you are done. Now that you've assigned the repeat function to a key, it makes it very fast to create a freeze frame in the future. It is worth noting you could use the repeat function directly on the timeline without performing a match frame, but doing it this way gives you repeated frames with audio attached as well. Just a reminder that Smoke 2013 is currently pre-release software, so features may change come the final release. Performing a match frame places a copy of the clip on the desktop inside the current folder. Having mapped a keyboard shortcut gives you access to the repeat function to quickly generate a freeze for the chosen amount of time. Remember to head to the Smoke forum at the area to pass on your experiences with the software. That brings to a close this episode of Smoke Training. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for future episodes that help you get up to speed on the basics fast.